Industrial Ergonomics Seminar is a 2-day workshop. It's a blended learning approach, and on the first day, participants will learn the fundamentals of ergonomics, some assessment tools, using a case study approach in the classroom, and they'll walk away with the ability to perform risk assessments in their workplace at the end of it.
The purpose of the Ergonomics Process Owner Workshop is to improve your ergonomics plan. During the workshop, we will be performing a gap analysis, choosing good metrics, and defining roles and responsibilities in your organization.
During the off-site skill builder track, we take the groups out into a local industry and they get to practice the assessment tools they learned in the classroom. And this is a real-world application of the assessment tools they learned. And then we'll go back and present the results to leadership and other folks so they know how to communicate the value of an ergonomics assessment to site leadership or other team members.